Set in the heart of the Willamette Valley near Salem, Oregon, this is a property defined by space, privacy, and presence. Over $11 million have been invested into this property, now selling through DeCaro Auctions, with a $2.5 million reserve, creating a rare opportunity to secure real value and an incredible lifestyle. The architecture makes a statement immediately: symmetry, scale, and a design that stands apart. Inside, the home opens into a true great room, expansive, filled with natural light, and designed to bring people together. A dedicated library adds a quieter layer to the home, refined, intentional, and built for focus or retreat. The kitchen anchors it all, generous in size, built for function, and positioned to connect seamlessly with the main living and dining spaces. And the primary wing is set apart, offering privacy, volume, and a sense of separation from the rest of the home, complete with a dedicated office, yoga, or meditation space, and a bath designed around daily wellness. Every space has been considered, every detail part of a larger vision. And then there's the opportunity. With over $11 million invested into this property, and a reserve set at $2.5 million, the value here is built in from day one. An opportunity to step into one of the finest built estates in the country and the lifestyle that comes with it. And when it sells, it's up to the market. May 21st, a defined timeline, a clear process. Register to bid, show up prepared, and be ready to act when it matters.